welcome back. My name is Siberia from Chasing Siberia, and today we're going to be making a cute little charger station for your cell phone.
What you will need is a book, glue, 1/3 cup of water, box cutter or scalpel, and a paintbrush. Take your 1/3 cup of water and add a bottle of glue. Mix well. This will be used to bind the pages together. With the book closed, take your Mod Podge mixture and generously apply it to the sides of the pages. Open the back of the book and glue the cover to the back of the page. Find something heavy and place it on the book for 24 hours. Next, open the front of the book and mark out a space big enough to fit your phone. Cut down into the book until you can place your phone in there with the cover closed. If the pages are a little uneven, you can use a soft sandpaper to sand it down. Next, mark out an area for the charger cord to fit. Cut down until the cover can be closed. You can either leave the book as is or paint it in a color of your choice. And now you are finished.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. It is kind of a unique DIY. I generally don't like cutting up books, but for this one I just kind of gritted my teeth and bared through it. If you like what you saw, why not hit that like button down below, as well as sharing this video with your friends, as it really does help me out. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button? We upload DIY videos every Tuesday, as well as a variety of other videos. If you'd like to help support this channel, I do have a Patreon. You can donate as little as $1 a month, and you would get access to my videos earlier by 1 day. If you'd like to follow me on social media, all of my links can be found in the description below, as well as credits to the creators of the music that is used in this video. Without them, my videos would probably be a little less interesting. So again, thank you for that. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you again for watching this video. And as always, my friends, stay crafty.